Hi everyone. Today's video is about a common Android issue where your phone automatically answers incoming calls without you touching anything. This can be annoying, but don't worry. This is an easy fix and I'll guide you step by step. Open your phone or call app. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see three vertical dots, the menu icon. Tap on it to open the drop-down options. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the settings page, scroll carefully until you find an option called Answering and Ending Calls. Tap on it to access call control features. Now, look for the setting labeled Answer Automatically. If this feature is turned on, your phone may pick up incoming calls without you touching anything. To stop this, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Once disabled, your phone will no longer answer calls automatically, giving you full control over incoming calls. Next, it is also highly recommended to make sure your device is up to date. Go back to the main settings menu, then scroll down and tap on Software Update. From there, select Download and Install. Your device will now check for the latest Android updates. If an update is available, install it immediately. Software updates often fix bugs and improve system performance, including issues related to calling features. After completing these steps, restart your phone for the best results. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more useful Android tips and tricks.